This is a nasty looking question, but it's actually really easy. We just need to take a breath and be able to sort through this one piece at a time. My eye is immediately drawn to the equation. Anytime I see equations in questions, I'm instantly like, that's probably important. So in this case, it's especially important because they're asking about a part of the equation and what it means. Well, in order to know what the 6b means, I should probably figure out what the other numbers mean too. And I can see, just scanning the question really quickly, that they appear, right? 14 and 38. So what we're going to do here is we're going to kind of dumb summarize the question. I use this strategy a lot in reading to kind of understand dense passages. This is a dense passage, right? It's a whole passage just for one question. So we're going to do the same thinking here. What is this equation? 14 plus 6b is equal to 38. Well, what's the 38? Let's start with that. That is a total of 38 questions when we're adding up Team B's questions with Team A's questions. So this is just all questions, okay? So 6b, we'll leave that there. What's the 14? The players on Team A answered a combined total of 14 questions. So this is Team A's questions. Team A's questions. Okay, so if we have Team A's questions plus something is equal to all the questions, well, it makes sense that that's probably Team B's questions. So right away, we can even just see that A and C aren't even about Team B at all. Now, the number of players on Team B is what the 6 by itself represents, but that's not what we're being asked. We're being asked for the whole thing, so the total number of questions answered by the students on Team B. That's it. This whole thing is really just about your ability to sort through information. A lot of the math stories are about that. So don't worry about math, worry about reading. And so try to dumb it down, try to look at just the parts of the story that matter for each individual number and each individual component, and piece it together in a dumb way. You don't need to understand every single complexity of this. It's not that complex. It's just that they're trying to overwhelm you with information. Take a deep breath, sort through it, you'll be fine.